In total knee replacement, we replace the worn out cartilage with body friendly implant, and bone and muscle remain as same. Total knee replacement is a simple procedure in which patient remain admitted for 7 days in hospital. First day, we thoroughly investigate the patient for surgical fitness. Second day, we generally operate the patient. It's usually take 2 hours for both knees, and next day of the surgery or third day, we start physiotherapy. Fourth and fifth day, we make the patient walk, stand, sit and go for washroom, and 7th day patient goes home. Patient leads a normal life in 3 to 4 weeks, and it's about 96% of success rate according to literature. Nowadays, it's about 99% of the success rate of the surgery. If you are suffering from osteoarthritis of knee joint, you can contact me on Lybrate and come on my clinic at SK Orthopedic Center, Krishnanagar. Thank you very much.